This product was sent to me from an honest review. If your dashboard looks anything like this one with chipping and stickiness over the years, I got something that will totally help your situation. This cover made by Joy Totus will completely solve the ugly dashboard without having to replace a whole expensive dashboard. Firstly, it completely matches the colors of the aesthetic of my car, so it doesn't look too out of place. And this cover is also specific to my car, which is a 2007 Toyota Camry, so all the cutouts line up and has a smooth suede feel. The installation process is super easy. Simply just spread it out and line up all the cutouts, and since the dashboard is already sticky, it doesn't really slide, and the bottom has a friendly non-slip feature as well. So once the cover is lined up, it never slides around or anything. Now, don't judge it by this first visual since I just literally opened the package and laid it on there, but I'm going to give it a couple more days to let it smoothen out and lay appropriately. Stay tuned. Now, this is a couple days later. It's already starting to flatten out, as you can see, looking more custom and fits much better. And I'm sure it'll fit even better after a couple more hot summer days. And as you can see, all the cutouts line up. I can see the digital display and the sensors have an opening as well as the cuts around the vents appropriately allow the ventilation. So this is pretty cool because I don't have to be embarrassed with my ugly dashboard. So I totally approve of this product, and I hope this video was helpful.